Squeeze the goodness with a professional quality manual juicer. Say goodbye to complicated machines and hello to easy manual juicing. Crafted from heavy-duty cast iron, this juicer is built to last. With its easy, squeezy operation and ergonomic handle design, let the juicer's strong contours do the work for you. The powerful lever extracts every drop of juice from your favorite fruits. Its 5-inch diameter cup is a perfect fit for melons, limes, oranges, grapefruits, and even pomegranates. Just press the lever and watch the juice flow effortlessly. And when you are done, clean up as a breeze with only 2 small parts to wash. Squeeze the goodness of life with our manual juicer. Experience the ease of juicing like never before. Order yours today.